Hello, hello, hello! Good day everyone! Andito po tayo sa Camiguin Island. Isang sunken cemetery. Meron lang akong isi-share sa inyo. It says here, cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. May dalawang punto lang ako. First is God invite us to give Him all our worries. Ito ay mga imbitasyon sa atin ng mga taong nag-alala sa buhay o mga pangyayari. Dahil alam niya na hindi natin kaya ang lahat, pero kaya niyang tulungan tayo sa ating mga worries of life. Ang pangalawa ay God reminding us for His deep care and concern for us because He created you and me for a purpose. That's why He's care and concern to you, to all our worries. Just give it to Him because He is our Father in heaven. Dito nagtatapos because life is hard, but God is good. Swish!